Good morning, dear students. I, Professor Basavaraj Kuruche, welcome you all for today's lecture of Marketing Management, Module number 1, video number 8. In previous class, we have seen the various points of importance or why is market research so important that every company is concentrating on market research. Those few points we had seen, and also we had seen the market research is useful for various peoples or various companies, agencies, etc. Today we shall move ahead with the scope of marketing research. Before beginning with the scope of marketing research, one thing we should read or understand that Clark and Clark defined market research as the careful and objective study of product, design, market, and such transfer activity as physical distribution, warehousing, advertising, and sales management. Thus, the scope of marketing research lies in its variety of applications. As per this definition, Clark and Clark are trying to say that marketing research is versatile in nature. It can be used in various areas, various situations, and applicable at variety of areas. So, let us see few of the areas where marketing research or a market research can be applicable. Number one, diagnosing the current situation or problem based on detailed information. Suppose if my organization or a company is running and I want to find out where the problem is lying, or to find out the current situation of my products, or to find out the present scenario of my products in the market. So I can apply market research and find out the detailed diagnosed study, how to improve my marketing, how to improve my sales, how to say plan my marketing activities, etc., etc., can be planned, or the problem related to that can be solved by marketing research. So this is the first area, that is diagnosing the current situation or problem based on detailed information. The second point of scope of marketing research is clearly identifying competitive strengths and weaknesses. When we are present in the competition or in the marketing, we should know or understand what is the present scenario, whether my product has strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and strengths. I need to find out the SWOT analysis of my company related to the products, how it is being accepted in the market, what are my strengths, what are my weaknesses, what opportunities or competitive advantages I am having. In this regards, I need to study each and every area, and marketing research will provide me a base to study these points. Then third point of scope of marketing research is constantly analyzing what is happening in the marketplace. In today's scenario, every now and then the company should be updated with the scenario in the market, and as per that scenario or as per that changes or trends, the company should change itself. Therefore, today's situation, if you see, every company is constantly trying to analyze what is happening in the marketplace, and here market research will give you a wide range of activities through which we can understand and analyze the marketplace or market scenario in this changing situations. The next fourth point is planning to watch companies' strengths with market opportunities by outlining objectives for product and market development and devising strategies and tactics to achieve them. It is very important for each and every company to plan what the company is going to do. While planning, the strengths are to be considered. What are the strengths of my company or my products with market opportunities? Whatever available strengths I am having, those strengths, how they are turning into an opportunity for my organization or my business. By outlining objectives for product and market development and devising strategies and tactics to achieve them. To achieve some goal or to achieve some target, in today's scenario, each and every company is, say, trying to make a strategy or to make a tactic based upon which the products will be planned, the products will be designed, the products will be identified, and the competitive advantages of that product or that company will be, say, understood, and as per those requirements the company will start planning or understanding the scenario. Here the market research can be applicable or will be applied in identifying and making the strategies for the business. Then the fifth point of scope of market research is watching out continuously for threats to the achievement of those plans. Whatever the plans we have prepared, whatever the strategies we have prepared, these strategies will be having some sort of threats which will be coming in between the plans and actual achievements. So, if we are continuously studying the scenario, if we are continuously understanding the market situation, and as per that situation, if we are changing our strategies, plans, and the products, then we can achieve our required goals. So, therefore, here marketing research helps us to watch our continuously for threats to the achievement of those plans. The sixth point of scope of marketing research is monitoring the progress of strategy implementation. Once we have prepared a strategy, we are working on that strategy, it is our duty or it is very necessary to watch continuously the progress of the strategy what we have made and we are implementing. In case at any point of time there is if there is any problem, those areas need to be identified and they need to be rectified so that the big damage should be avoided. So here the continuous monitoring the strategies which we are implementing is possible with the help of marketing research. So these are few of the points in scope of marketing research. In tomorrow's class, the rest points we shall see. Till then, we shall stop here. If you have any doubts, questions, queries, you all can feel free to contact me at any point of time. Thank you. Good day.